everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another review. This product was sent to me. Just so you guys know, I did get it for free. This is by I Am Organic Natural Skincare. For those of you who don't know, I am a licensed esthetician in the states of California and Oregon. I love to try new skincare products. I'm a big fan of scrubs and exfoliates. I love them. I feel like scrubs especially are so popular now, and they have been for a while, so I really wanted to try this. If you guys are curious, a lot of my reviews, a lot of the products that come from my reviews are from the site Octoly. So if you guys are a beauty influencer, or if you like to post videos of reviews and stuff, like to try new products, definitely check out the website, because they will actually, like, you can qualify for a certain amount of products, and then you have to film a video within a certain amount of time, being completely honest and transparent, and it's pretty cool. So you don't get paid for it or anything, but you do get to try some product for free. This is the Body Sugar Scrub, and it is lavender and rosemary. So I chose the lavender and rosemary because I'm a huge lavender fan. I love rosemary too. So this is the scrub. It's, first of all, I want to say it smells heavenly. Like, it smells so good. I have used this. A little bit goes a long way. I don't use it on my entire body. I just use it on the drier areas like my knees, my elbows. Sometimes on my feet I'll use it, but this is it. I do want to say, I don't know if you guys can see, but it is a little bit watery or oily, I guess. It does have jojoba oil in it, which is really good for your skin. It also has sesame oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, olive oil, hemp oil, vitamin E oil, lots of oils. There is a lot of really good things for your skin in here. So everything in here is gonna be amazing for your skin. The oil is to kind of help nourish and moisturize your skin as well. So you can't really have a scrub without some kind of moisture factor in there. Otherwise, it's just, oh, there's a spider in my house. Hate spiders. The only thing is, you do have to be very careful with this product. I did stir it a couple of times, but the oils just, there's a lot of oil in it, so it's going to, you're gonna need to like stir it every time that you use it if you are concerned about the oil. I'm not too concerned about it because I use it in the shower. It doesn't really matter at that point. But this is how it looks, if you can see that. So as you can see, it's very, very oily. There is more oil than the scrub because I didn't pick that much up, but this is, oh, it's just so nice. Woo, making a mess though. So this is how it looks, guys. It feels amazing once you rinse it off in the shower. Your skin is gonna be so soft, so nice, and it's just gonna feel like a baby's bottom. I liked this product a lot. I just wish it wasn't as oily. You know, you also could dump some of the oil out into a trash can if it really bothers you that much. You can even use the extra oil, instead of dumping it into the trash, you can use it on your skin as well, just to kind of moisturize. Use it as a body oil, or even, you know what's a really good idea? Actually, I'll probably empty it into a container and use that. I'm just gonna rub it into my hands until it's like, oh, it smells so good. So yeah, I mean, especially now that winter's here, this is gonna be really good for cracked hands, cracked heels, elbows, knees, you know, where you get really dry. Even after you rinse it off, you're still gonna have that scent on your skin. They do have other scents as well. I can't remember what ones they had. I think lemon verbena was one of them. I can't remember, but definitely check it out if you like organic, all natural skincare. Another thing that I might mention is the tub. The bathtub will probably most likely be slippery after using this, but that's the case for any sugar scrub or salt scrub. Also, another thing, you guys, if you have like eczema like I do, and you scratch until it bleeds and you get like a rash or a scab, this is going to be a lot more gentle on your skin than a salt scrub. I do love salt scrubs as well, but it just really depends. Like on my body, if I'm using it all over, I like to use sugar because it doesn't burn any wounds that you have like salt does. So if you're putting salt on like an open wound or a scab, anything like that, it's gonna burn. And I have used salt scrubs before on my eczema breakouts and it was painful. Definitely opt for a sugar scrub if you guys have that problem. I will have their link down below for you guys. I'll have the link to their Instagram as well as the link to their website and this product as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, any video requests, please feel free to ask me. I'm definitely trying to be more consistent on YouTube now. All right guys, have a great day. Bye.